You've been lied to about hiccups. Everyone thinks they're random, annoying spasms, but they're actually a leftover glitch from when your ancient ancestors used gills. Millions of years ago, early amphibians had to close their gills while breathing on land, and that reflex still lives inside you. When your diaphragm spasms, your brain triggers the old gill closing pattern by mistake, snapping your airway shut before air escapes. The exact same movement amphibians used to make. That's why hiccups make that weird hic sound. It's not a bug in your body, it's an ancient breathing program from creatures that lived before humans even existed. Your hiccups aren't random. They're evolution forgetting to delete old code.